I'm proud of our modern factory, where we produce a broad range of compaction equipment and where safety is a top priority for us all. The commitment our staff has is incredible, and we call it Orange Blood. Orwak invests in new technology and new production equipment. One recent example of that is the factory extension built to house the new fiber laser and bending machines. It ensures high production capacity to meet current, and by that also future needs. We build between 5,000 and 7,000 of vertical compactors on a yearly basis, and are more than ready to increase that number. Sustainability is a guiding star in Orwak's business. Our products contribute to the circular economy by promoting sorting and recycling, and by that reducing the need of transport. It also applies to our own production, as we use 100% green power in the factory. Furthermore, in the near future, we are planning to invest in solar power and install solar panels on our factory roof, this to produce our own power.